Hi everyone, my name is Diana Jacklin. I'm an opera singer, song recitalist, and voice teacher, but I'm also a music educator, and I've made a series of videos to help you with developing some musical foundations. I made a series of videos called Rhythm Rainbow. You can access Rhythm Rainbow on my YouTube channel at no cost. I've put them all in a playlist so that you can easily find them all. This program leads you one step at a time to mastering basic rhythms in common time. You can play these rhythms using rhythm sticks or a drum or the desk in front of you or even your body or even actually an instrument that you're starting to learn to play. I think an effective teacher is someone who breaks things down. So in this program, I have isolated the rhythms so that all you have to think about are the rhythms. No melody, no technique, instrumental technique, nothing else, just the rhythm. I hope this helps you on your musical journey. Now, if you find this program effective, I invite you to share it with your friends, with children who want to learn music, with parents who are looking for a high quality music education for their children, with children who are homeschooled, and with anyone you know at any age who is interested in learning to read music. I will be posting a link so that you can access the Rhythm Rainbow workbook, and you can print that out and play it on your own or play it in a group. If you're working with another person, I encourage you to find ways to challenge yourselves, such as each of you playing a different line so that you practice different parts together. It makes it harder and a lot of fun. Or you could play the same line in a round or with two or more players. Be creative. Use different instruments to play the rhythms or sing them. You'll find different ways of using this, and I hope you really enjoy it. So again, I hope you enjoy this series. And of course, if it is useful to you, please like and please subscribe. Bye.